'Cause
hey guys, good morning. It's a fabulous day today. It's like 96 degrees outside. I made myself this little smoothie type of thing. It's one of those pre-packaged like Jamba Juice things. I want to go through my closet, and so that's probably all I'm gonna do today. I keep looking at the viewfinder. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. You know what? Comment if I keep looking at the viewfinder, because I need more people to tell me that. Okay? So, here's how this whole thing is gonna work. I'm cleaning out my closet, right? Here's my bright idea. Here's my grand scheme of things. So, this entire day, not entire day, because a girl gets tired easily, but some of today is going to be me going through clothes that I never wear, trying them on, picking them out, figuring which ones I'm gonna keep and which ones I'm gonna throw away. Well, not throw away, sell. Also, what I did want to address is this gross looking thing on my ear. If you've never watched one of my videos, go back and watch one of my videos. But I used to have a disgusting bump on my ear, on this ear, and so I got it removed. And that's just why I have that. The reason why the rest of me looks like I just crawled out of the trash, well, welcome to my channel. So far, this is what I've got. I've got this bag a little bit full, and then I have this bag all the way full. And that's so far it. The rest, I still have all of these clothes right here, which is disgusting. Don't look at that. I have these hangers right here, and then this is the before. How about that? Nothing's really happened yet, but just stay tuned, because I'm sure that eventually I'll get somewhere. Hiya, and welcome to day 2. Again, I look like a mess. I don't mind it, you know. But today is the day where I've gone through mostly all the clothes that are hanging up in my closet, but I have a lot of dirty clothes. So today is the day that I'm washing all of my clothes and sorting through them. This is only one load. I have one in the dryer right now, one in the washing machine, and then I have many more to go. But that's what today is, so. So, oh my god, please focus, thank you. So today is like the official like organizing day. So what I did is I took all of these right here. So I cleaned out the bottom part. So how my closet works is I put jackets and like hoodies right there, t-shirts and like shirts right there, and then like dresses and pants and everything long over there. So I took out all the hoodies, I laid them out on my bed in the way that like they're gonna be organized, and then I'm cleaning like the bottom part and like just making sure that it all looks nice. And yeah, that's pretty much how today's gonna go. Yesterday I finished going through all the clothes that I'm throwing away, and I have these 3 bags right here that I'm all gonna take to either the DI or take them to like Plato's Closet or something like that. And then yeah, today we're so close to being done. I'm so excited. It's gonna look hopefully way better than it does look right now. So while we're switching sides, where do I draw the line? I guess I'm too naive to read the signs. You say I'm sorry, but it's too late now. So save it, get gone, shut up. Officially, I've finished my closet. Look at this. I'll show you the logistics of how everything is, in the way that it makes it look so much better. So what we have is color-coded back here. We have dark blue to green, all in the order of the rainbow, and then we have black to gray to tan to white. Then down here what we have in the back, we have our denim, if you can see it, and then we have our cardigans, and then we have our zip up hoodies, and then we have our actual hoodies, and then we have our like trophy tees. And then we have fancy dresses, casual long sleeve dresses, casual short sleeve dresses, and then casual no sleeve dresses, skirts, nice pants that are like unique, light wash jeans all the way to dark wash jeans, and then light wash shorts all the way to dark wash shorts. We have our shoes, which I didn't organize because they're kind of just a mess up there. I didn't want to deal with it. Put some new shoes down here. The bottom part is actually somewhat clean. There's backpacks, books, stuff down there. You know, the hamper is empty. Everything is clean. I cleaned my closet. This is it. This is the finished product. It doesn't, okay, some of you might think it doesn't look that good, but compared to the beginning, it looks way better. And now I have 3 entire bags of clothes that I'm giving away. So I'd say that's a win situation. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time I post a video. Bye!